West Bengal has erupted in a storm of scandal, leaks, raids, and courtroom shocks. A powerful MLA caught crawling in the mud in order to escape from the law. Private details of 1,000 teachers got spilled over the internet. Medical dreams of 11,000 students got shattered. And migrant workers fighting in the Supreme Court for their identity. Tonight, we bring you the full picture of a state drowning in controversies and chaos. Hello everyone, I am Devalina and you are watching News Step 1. West Bengal is on the headlines again, and this time the stories unfolding is nothing short of sensational. From political drama to educational scandal, from students' heartbreaks to human rights battle, the city has shaken to its very core. Buckle up, because what we are going to reveal today will leave you stunned. The MLA who tried to vanish in the mud, a powerful TMC MLA who was accused in an infamous Bengal's school job scam, as Enforcement Directorate officials stormed his house, he tried to flee it. According to the reports, he scaled the walls, ran in the fields and finally found in the mud. And the twist is, he allegedly hurled his mobile phone in the pond, aimed to bury all the secret in the device. But the ED officers weren't fools. They fished it out and got through every details. Now, every digital secret may come back to haunt him. The teacher data bombshell. As if political corruption wasn't enough. Another scandal that rocked the education sector. Sensitive details of thousands of primary teachers' eligibility test 2022, names, marks, and even contact numbers got leaked online. Students who dreamt of serving the classroom now faces the nightmare of exposed identities. Parents are furious, candidates are panicking, and the state government is under immense pressure to explain this massive data breach. The NEET nightmare, and then another blow. West Bengal's NEET UG counseling has been suspended indefinitely, leaving 11,000 aspirations in tears. Imagine years of preparations, endless sleepless nights, only to face this sudden halt in admission. A High Court ruling has thrown the situation in uncertainty, leaving the parents and the students demanding for answers. Will they survive this political and legal chaos? Migrant workers versus the system. But the most shocking of all, human lives caught in the crossfires of identity politics. The Supreme Court has sent notices to 8 states after West Bengal Migrant Workers Welfare Board alleged that Bengali-speaking Muslims were being detained illegally, mistaken for Bangladeshi infiltrators. The families torn apart, livelihoods destroyed, and dignity stripped, all under the shadow of wrongful identification. The nation now asks, how many innocent lives will be crushed under the systematic bias? West Bengal today now stands at the crossroads of heartbreak, scandals, and human rights battles. Now the question is, how much more can Bengal take before the system collapses? And most importantly, will justice prevail, or will power, corruption, and negligence continue writing the darkest headlines of Bengal? It is not just news. It is history being written in real times, and we uncover every twist and turn of Bengal's biggest scandals. For more updates, keep watching News Step 1. This is your host Devalina signing off.